Which element has the highest melting point?
Who developed the theory of relativity?
What is the capital of Australia?
Which planet has the most moons?
What is the longest river in the world? Who wrote War and Peace? What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? What is the smallest country in the world by area? Which language has the most native speakers? Who was the first person to step on the moon? What is the chemical symbol for gold? What is the highest mountain in the world? Which organ is responsible for pumping blood? What is the most spoken language in South America? Who painted the Mona Lisa? Which gas makes up the majority of the Earth's atmosphere? What is the main ingredient in traditional Japanese miso soup? Who was the first female Prime Minister of the UK? What is the capital of Canada? Which is the largest ocean on Earth? Who discovered penicillin? Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Who is the author of Pride and Prejudice? What is the main ingredient of guacamole? What is the speed of light? What is the hardest rock? What is the national currency of Japan? Who is known as the father of computers? What is the chemical formula for water? Which continent is the Sahara Desert located on? Which country has the largest population? Who wrote Hamlet? What is the primary ingredient in hummus? What is the currency of Switzerland? What is the largest bone in the human body? Who painted the Sistine Chapel ceiling? Which is the densest planet in our solar system? What is the national flower of Japan? Who was the first president of the United States? What is the capital of Brazil? Which vitamin is produced when a person is exposed to sunlight? Who discovered America? What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Who invented the telephone? What is the smallest unit of life? What is the largest mammal? What is the capital of Italy? Which planet is known as the red planet? What is the chemical symbol for sodium? What is the smallest bone in the human body?